If you're growing up in 2026, there are 7 skills you need for your future that this world is quietly training out of you, and most people won't even notice until they've already lost them. So here's what those skills are, why they're slipping, and exactly how to take them back. You're part of an experiment that has never been run before, an experiment where boredom disappears in 1 second, where thousands of people can enter your mind before breakfast, where an algorithm can learn what keeps you watching before you even understand what it's doing to you. And every single day, your brain is adapting. The question is, what is it actually adapting into? Here's the thing about your brain. It's always learning, right? Whatever you repeat, you train. That's neuroplasticity. So every time something gets uncomfortable and you immediately escape, you're practicing a pattern. Discomfort means leave. Difficulty means escape. Boredom means find something stimulating. And the more automatic the pattern becomes, the harder it becomes for you to stay when something actually matters. Because look at what's happening. Look at what's becoming rare. 1, deep focus. Not just paying attention, the ability to stay on one thing when your phone is screaming at you. 2, patience, sitting with boredom without needing stimulation, letting your mind wander. That's where creativity actually comes from. Right? 3, persistence, doing something difficult without quitting the moment that it gets frustrating. 4, emotional awareness, knowing what you actually feel instead of scrolling until that feeling disappears. 5, communication, the hard kind, listening to someone that you disagree with, explaining yourself, apologizing, repairing. 6, independent thinking, knowing what you believe before an algorithm tells you what to believe. 7, self-awareness, choosing what matters to you, not what keeps you watching the longest. Okay? Those used to sound like ordinary human abilities, but in the future, they could become the difference between adapting and being left behind. I work with hundreds of students every week, and the ones who seem the happiest, the most confident, and the most adaptable aren't necessarily the smartest. They're the ones that are quietly training those skills, while almost everyone else is letting them fade. And here's why each one is getting harder. An assignment gets difficult, escape. A conversation gets awkward, ghost. You feel lonely, scroll. Your brain doesn't care what you escape from. It just learns that discomfort means leave. And the moments that actually build these skills are the moments, the uncomfortable ones, the awkward silence where you learn to speak, the disagreement where you can actually learn to listen, the failure where you learn to try again. If you escape every one of these moments, you escape the very experience that could have taught you how to handle them. But this is where everything flips, because the very skills this world is making harder to develop could actually become your biggest advantage. If everyone around you is becoming easier to distract, your focus becomes powerful. If everyone needs constant stimulation, your ability to tolerate boredom becomes powerful. If everyone reacts instantly, your ability to pause becomes powerful. If everyone just quits when something gets uncomfortable, your persistence becomes powerful. If everyone avoids difficult conversations, your ability to communicate becomes powerful. So if everyone stays inside a world of people who agree with them, your ability to think independently becomes powerful, right? You're getting it. And if everyone else is being told what to think, your ability to know yourself becomes powerful. The future isn't just coming, you're already preparing for it. The only question is whether you're doing it intentionally or letting something else train your brain for you. That's exactly what I built the XP playlists for. Not more advice, not another person telling you to put your phone down, okay? Just actual training grounds. If you're finding that your attention feels impossible to control, start with the Focus XP playlist. If emotions hit you before you understand what's happening, Emotion Detection XP is good. If you struggle to know what you actually think, Inner Compass XP, okay? If you start things but you never finish them, Resistance XP. Each one gives you real missions, things you can actually do, because knowing this stuff is great, but it's not enough. You have to actually practice it. You grew up inside an experiment that has never been run before, and you're heading towards a future that nobody can fully predict, but you can prepare. You can train your attention, your emotional awareness, your ability to choose, your persistence. You can learn to sit with the discomfort, right? To communicate, to listen, to repair, to adapt, to think for yourself, to know yourself, because the future will change, and the people who learn how to change with it without losing control of themselves or losing their ability to connect with each other will have an advantage. So don't wait until the world changes to start preparing for it. Choose your first skill, pick a playlist, complete the missions, and start taking your power back. I'll see you in the next level.